Alright, I'm done. I got it.
You got it?
I'm done. Are we ready to go? Are we going to Chocolate Park?
Yeah.
Alright.
Whoa.
Everybody have everything they need?
Huh? Ready?
What?
Everybody has everything?
You got your credit card?
Where's the code?
See? Thank you.
It's all.
We can't be laughing because that's the way that we have to wait on them.
Hey, y'all just messing with me, aren't you?
With what?
What?
I don't know.
Come on, man. Shut your hand.
We don't have your coat.
Are you serious?
No, we don't.
Back of the chair.
Huh? I don't know. It's not there.
We left it there. We thought you were gonna get it. We thought you had it in the bathroom.
Come on, seriously.
No, we don't have your coat.
Are you guys serious? If I go there and look like a jackass. Come on, man.
We're just being stupid because we're drunk. We don't have your coat.
Yeah.
Alright, come on. We got your code.
Yeah.
Really, I'm going to play the